Hold on to your hats because we've got some sizzling tech news coming your way. In a scorching July report by The Information, it was spilled that Google's next-gen Tensor G4 processor is set to rock the same Exynos chip tech as its predecessors. Get ready for fireworks, as this blazing Tensor G4 is set to ignite the Pixel 9 series, slated for a dazzling 2024 launch. Word on the street is that this fiery Samsung chip might just be the Exynos 2400, which is rumored to make its grand entrance with the Galaxy S24 early next year. And guess what? Thanks to our friends at Android Authority, we're cranking up the heat with more scintillating details about Google's forthcoming chip. In the secret lair of tech, the Tensor G4 is codenamed Zuma Pro, and it's currently flexing its muscles on a development board codenamed Recurrent Pro. The buzz is that this chipset is a co-production with Samsung's System LSI Wizards, promising a sizzling performance bump over its 9-core sibling, the unreleased Tensor G3. But wait, the plot thickens. Brace yourselves because the Tensor G5 processor, the powerhouse destined to fire up the Pixel 10, is rumored to be a fully custom creation breaking free from the Exynos mold. And here's the kicker. Google is taking its talents at TSMC for manufacturing instead of relying on Samsung Foundry. Starting in 2025, it looks like Samsung's System LSI and Samsung Foundry might be missing a key player in their lineup. Now, for the grand finale. Mark your calendars for October 4, 2023, as Google is set to unleash the Tensor G3-powered Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro smartphones. Hold onto your seats because these bad boys promise jaw-dropping designs and camera upgrades that'll make your head spin. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are packing ISO Cell GN2 primary camera sensors that are bigger and badder than ever. And if that's not enough, the Pixel 8 Pro is flaunting a mind-blowing 64-megapixel ultra-wide camera, while the Pixel 8 opts for a still impressive 12-megapixel ultra-wide. Oh, and did we mention the Pixel 8 Pro rocks a 48-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom? Get ready for a pixel-perfect revolution.